Today we are going to learn how to onyomi reading like sang, and kunyomi reading mi, or you can say mitsu. This kanji have the meaning that tree. That means when you put something together until it to be tree, you can use this kanji to express the meaning. So let's go to learn about how to use this kanji when you use with another kanji. Sang is mean tree. 1, 2, 3, and is that tree? That means when you just see this kanji, you can read to be like tree. Jusang means 13. The first kanji ju is from the kanji that's ju, and this kanji had the meaning that 10. So when you put the kanji that had the meaning that 10 and 3, sang is mean 3, ju is mean 10. So when you put a kanji like 10 and 3, that mean 13. So this word had the meaning that 13, and you write the kanji of ju, and after that you write the kanji of sang. So you can say ju sang. Sangatsu is mean March. The first kanji sang is from, this mean tree, and the second kanji gatsu is from the kanji of month, or they say Japanese like tsuki is mean month. So when you put the number sang and the month, so it mean March. 3 and month is mean March. Sai sang is mean again and again, or you can say repeatedly. The kanji of sai is mean do again, something that again, you can say sai. And sang is mean 3. So when you put the kanji of again with the kanji of sang, is mean let's do 3 times, or you can say again and again, or you can say just like repeatedly. Sang nin is mean 3 people. Sang is from the kanji of 3. You have the meaning that 3. Nin, the kanji of nin is from the kanji of hito. Hito is mean people. So the kanji of nin or hito is mean people, and when you put the number 3 and people, this mean 3 people together. So if you want to create a question like how many people, you can say nannin ga imasu ka. Nannin ga imasu ka is mean how many people are there. So in the question, in the answer, you can say 3人です. 3人です is mean 3 people. If you want to say the question like how many people are there in the room, this mean you can say the question like this. 部屋の中に何人がいますか? And you can answer. If 3 people can say 部屋の中に3人がいます it means 3 people in the room. 3時 it means 3 o'clock. 3 is mean number 3 or 3. ji, the kanji of ji is from the kanji of toki, or is mean this kanji is expressed for the time, right? The time. So when you put the kanji of 3 is mean the sang is mean 3 and kanji of time ji, so it's mean 3 o'clock, right? So if you see like it, you want to remember this word, you can say sanji is mean 3 o'clock. You want to create the question that what time is it now, you can say 今は何時ですか? 今は何時ですか is mean what time is it now, and you can answer like it's 3 o'clock. It mean 今は3時です。今は3時です。It mean 3 o'clock now. 3つ is mean 3 or 3 things. That means that when you want to count something, if you just say sang is mean 3, but you want to count something that you don't know that you need, right? For example, you can say if you count a chicken, you can say 3 chicken, right? 3 chicken, or 2 children, 1 child. But if you do know that you need after that number, you can say 3つ. 3つ is mean 3 things. It's not like 3 only. If just say 3 only, it mean you can say 3. 三つ折り 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 is mean 3 phone or phone in 3. 3 phone or phone in 3. 3日 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 is mean 3rd day of month. The kanji of 3日, the first kanji is from the kanji of sang. Sang is mean 3. And after the kanji of sang is from the kanji of nichi or he. Nichi or he is mean that the sun or the day. When you say about the sun or the day, you can use nichi or he to express. So when you put the kanji of 3 and day, so you can say 3rd day of the month, you can say 3rd. First, second, 3rd. Is that 3rd? So you can say 3日 3rd or 3rd day of the month. This word they don't say 3日 or 3日. Japanese they don't say that. So you have to remember that it's the special sound. So you have to remember 3日. They don't say 3日, right? You can say that the between mi and ka it has a small 字 right or 小さい字 right 小さい字is mean small 字 right between mi so you can say mika no mitsuka. So if you want to create a question, you can say 今日は何日ですか？今日は3日です。It means today is that